EDL Generation Public Company, or EDL Gen, is the power producers of Lao PDR, and wholesale its power to Electricity du Lao, or EDL. EDL Gen also holds shares in independent power producers, or IPPs, in order to supply electricity for domestic power demand, as well as to export to neighboring countries. Vision: EDL Gen is strongly willing to be number one leading company in Lao PDR in ensuring reliable electric power supply for socio-economic development of Lao PDR. A leading company which strongly contributes to the realization of Lao PDR's vision of being a battery of ASEAN in order to contribute and ensure sustainable and reliable power supplies to ASEAN community. A leading company in providing operation and maintenance or O&M services to power producers in Lao PDR and in ASEAN community. A leading company in increasing value for shareholders. Mission: to stand side by side and coordinate closely with EDL on ensuring energy security in terms of quality and quantity in order to support the socio-economic development of Lao PDR, as well as ASEAN nations, with reasonable price and also creating value for shareholders. To supply electric power from alternative and clean energy sources to ensure energy security and sustainability. To invest in business that creates shareholder value. To be fully responsible to shareholders and shareholders in the protection of company's assets. To firmly create wealth and long-term value for shareholders. To act in accordance with the visions and missions with principles and effectively manage present and future risks. To have transparent and accountable process of decision making. To equally and fairly treat all involved parties and avoid situations leading to the conflict of interest. To continuously increase the effectiveness and the competitiveness of business management and electricity generation through creative thinking and technology. To enhance and develop the qualities and capacity of its staff at all levels, so as to encourage them to actively participate in the company development with a sense of pride, responsibility, and ownership. Focus on human resource development in the field of operation and maintenance service for energy producers in Laos and also in ASEAN community. To enhance corporate social and environmental responsibilities. The establishment of EDL Gen. EDL Gen was established on 15 December 2010 according to the government policies to be a leading company in the electrical power generation of Lao PDR. In establishment of EDL Gen, EDL spin off its electricity generation assets, including 7 hydropower plants, or HPP, with a total installed capacity of 387 megawatts. The 7 HPPs include Nam Ngum 1, 155 megawatts, Nam Mang 3, 40 megawatts, Nam Let, 60 megawatts, Nam Song, 6 megawatts, Seset 1, 45 megawatts, Seset 2, 76 megawatts, Selabam, 5 megawatts. On 11 January 2011, EDL Gen was officially listed on the Lao Securities Exchange, or LSX, upon the completion of its first capital increase through initial public offering, or IPO, leading to a new shareholder structure with EDL holding 75% and public investors 25%. By investing in 3 more projects developed by EDL, including Nam Khan 2, 130 megawatts, Nam Sana, 14 megawatts, and Hue Lam Phan Nhai, 88 megawatts. As of 31st May 2019, EDL Gen owns 10 HPPs with total installed capacity of 619 megawatts. Additionally, EDL Gen invests by holding shares in 19 IPPs that generate electricity from both hydro and solar power. The total equity capacity from IPPs is 1,197 megawatts, 623 megawatts of which are currently under operation, and 574 megawatts are under construction. In summary, the total installed capacity of EDL Gen is 1,816 megawatts, 1,242 megawatts of which are under operation. Since 2011, EDL Gen's installed capacity has been constantly increasing. Specifically, EDL Gen expects to start accounting for income and performance of 309 megawatts interest in Sayaburi and Donsahong projects when they achieve COD in late 2019. In 2011, EDL Gen's total assets were 5,239 billion GIG. Since then, EDL Gen business has experienced a strong and continuous asset growth. This growth has been driven by EDL Gen's ability to raise funds from both local and foreign capital markets, including capital increases via rights offerings or RO and public offerings or PO in Lao Securities Exchange in 2012 and 2015, and a series of senior unsecured debenture issuance in Thailand in 2014, 2016, 2018, and 2019. As a result, EDL Gen's total assets has grown to 23,074 billion GIG as of 31st March 2019. In 2018, EDL Gen Operation and Maintenance Services Company, or EDL Gen O&M, was established as EDL Gen subsidiary to provide operation and maintenance services for hydropower plants both in Laos and in ASEAN countries. In the same year, EDL Gen O&M Company cooperated with business partners to set up E&E Engineering and Service Company to strengthen its position in providing operation and maintenance services for hydropower plants. With continued strong support from both local and overseas governments, investors, and financial institutions since the beginning of the business operation, EDL Gen has built its reputation and industry leadership through receiving a number of international awards, namely ISO 9001-2015 EMS, ISO 14001-2014 EMS, ASEAN Business Awards 2017, which represents the industry's most prestigious awards for success. EDL Gen is the first leading company of the Lao PDR. ASEAN China Awards 2017, which represents to a company in ASEAN countries that play an important role to promote ASEAN-China trade and investment cooperation. The handing over ceremony was held in Beijing of China on 23rd January 2017. In finance and capital markets, EDL Gen was awarded several prestigious honors such as Asia Money Country Deals 2014 Awards, IFR Asia Awards 2015 Frontier Markets Issue, the Assets AAA Country Awards for 2016 and 2018 for the Best Corporate Bond, for EDL Gen's 13.7 billion baht bond, or $410 million. Finance Asia Achievement Awards 2018 for the Best Lao Deal from EDL Gen's 13.7 billion baht, or $410 million multi-tranche bond. Best Deal and Solution Awards 2018 for the Best Foreigner Currency Sovereign Bond Deal in Southeast Asia 2018, organized by Alpha Southeast Asia Magazine in Malaysia. Distinguished Issuer Award 2018, organized by the Thai Bond Market Association. EDL Gen also receives accolades for corporate social and environmental responsibilities. Celabam HPP received ASEAN Best Practice Renewable Energy Projects Awards. Green Leadership Award in Asia Responsible Enterprise Award 2018 in the Philippines. Asia Based Performing Companies of Asia Corporate Excellence and Sustainability Awards 2018. EDL Gen emphasizes human resource development by organizing training courses on various issues, including leadership, business administration, social and environmental works, finance, operation and maintenance, technical works, dam safety, and others. Alongside with generating electricity, EDL Gen places special importance on environmental and biodiversity protection for its abundance and sustainability. The company continues to enhance its contributions in developing local communities closely to our hydropower plants by developing and improving transport, healthcare, and educational infrastructures, and strengthening support for local schools through education and sports supplies, thereby helping to improve living conditions and local livelihoods. With strong support and close guidance and cooperation of our government, local authorities, and EDL, as well as commitment and dedication from our staff, we gain trust from our investors and shareholders domestically and internationally, which has led our company to generate achievements and successful and lasting growth of our business. We are proud to take responsibility of this honorable duty in generating electricity and provide stable and sustainable energy to the nation. EDL Gen will together consolidate our effort to be a leading company in electricity generation that continues to make substantial contributions in creating a secure and sustainable energy future for all. EDL Generation Public Company, sustainable choice for you, sustainable power for the nation.